Hi, I'm Kate White. I'm the head of the horticulture department here at Magnolia Plantation and Gardens. These Magnolia moments are to help keep you engaged with Magnolia Plantation while still observing your social distances. We're hoping that this might give you a little bit of insight into the many storms that we've been able to weather here at Magnolia. I'm standing here on the Riverwalk. It is probably my favorite garden here at Magnolia Plantation and Gardens. It is over 400 yards long. It stretches all the way from one end of the historic part of the gardens to the other, and you can just imagine Reverend John Drayton and his wife Julia strolling through the afternoon, enjoying the peace and quiet of nature with these beautiful flowering plants and the Ashley River behind them as he's crafting his Sunday sermon. We like to enjoy the beautiful Quercus virginiana, the live oaks, leaning out over the water with the Spanish moss. The Riverwalk itself is planted with a beautiful mix of annuals, some biennials, and some perennials to give it a little bit of a cottage garden look, but also to make sure that it's continually blooming. You have some of our iconic azaleas behind us, and then of course our magnolias as well. This is one of the most historic beds at our plantation garden.